Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rahul Prasad and today this is my demonstration lecture, and in this lecture I will discuss a topic that is the human blood circulation. Okay, the human blood circulation is only depend upon one organ, that is the heart. So in short I will tell you how the circulation of the body takes place. In our body there are two types of blood, that is the oxygenated blood and the deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood यानी कि गंदा खून and deoxygenated blood यानी कि अच्छा खून, which means deoxygenated, that is low amount of oxygen in it and more amount of carbon dioxide in it, while in oxygenated blood there is more amount of oxygen in it and less amount of carbon dioxide in it. So there in heart there are four chambers, that is two atrium and two ventricles. These are divided into left and right. Okay, in left side there are oxygenated blood and in the right side there are deoxygenated blood. So what happened, the atrium, which is the first chamber, it contains the blood, that is the deoxygenated blood, which comes in the atrium by the help of superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. This veins collects the deoxygenated blood in the right atrium, and then from the right atrium it goes to right ventricles. In the right ventricles, from how it goes on into the right ventricles, with the help of the tricuspid valve which is present in between these two atrium and ventricles. Tricuspid valves, or the valves which are present in between these two atrium and ventricular junctions, helps to prevent the backflow of the blood so that it cannot again goes back into the atrium. What happened in the ventricles, from the ventricles this blood goes into the lungs with the help of pulmonary trunk, or we can say pulmonary artery. In lung, what happened, the less amount of oxygen which is present in the blood, what happened in lungs, the lungs gives lots of oxygens in the blood, and due to which the deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated blood, and then from the lungs it goes into the left atrium which collects the oxygenated blood, and from the left atrium it goes into the left ventricle. In the left ventricle, what happened, this oxygenated blood goes or ejaculates through the left ventricle into the whole body with the help of the aorta, via aorta, and from aorta it goes to every parts of the body, and the body gets the organs get the oxygenated blood from it. In this way the human circulation takes place, and in this way the circulatory parts and all the organs of the body gets the oxygenated blood as well as the deoxygenated blood. That is why our body or human body having the double circulation system. Okay, thank you.